Today we're going to solve another picture puzzle involving caterpillar, apple, and leaves. First, give it a try and play the video whenever you're ready for the solutions. To solve this picture puzzle, let's begin with equation 1. For question 1, we have 3 identical caterpillars added together to 33. To find the value of each caterpillar, we're simply splitting up 33 into 3, or that is 33 divided by 3, which is 11. This means that the value of each caterpillar is 11. 11 plus 11 plus 11 is equal to 33. Solving this algebraically, we can set up the equation caterpillar plus caterpillar plus caterpillar is equal to 33. Combining like terms, c plus c plus c is 3c. So 3c is equal to 33. Now we need to do the inverse of multiplying by 3. This means we need to divide both sides by 3. Simplifying this, 3 over 3 is 1, so we have 1c is equal to 33 divided by 3 is 11. So this means that the value of each caterpillar is 11. Now let's continue with equation 2. An apple plus a caterpillar is equal to 55. In the previous equation, we have solved that the value of each caterpillar is 11. So solving this mentally, we can simply subtract 55 minus 11, which is 44, and then we will split up 44 between the two apples. So 44 divided by 2 is 22. So we have 22 plus 22 plus 11 is equal to 55. Now I will show you the work algebraically. The equation says an apple plus a caterpillar, which is 11, is equal to 55. Combining like terms on the left side of this equation, a plus a is 2a, plus 11 is equal to 55. We subtract 11 to both sides. 11 minus 11 is 0, so now left side is just 2a, and right side, 55 minus 11 is 44. Dividing both sides by 2, our a value is 22. So indeed, the value of each apple is 22. So 22 plus 11 is equal to 55. Now let's move on to equation 3. 3 leaves plus 2 apples is equal to 68. I will use the variable L for the leaves. So the equation will be 3 leaves plus 2 apples is equal to 68. Simplifying the left side, 3L plus 3L is 6L. And we know from the previous equation that each apple is 22. So 2 times 22 is 44, is equal to 68. Now we can subtract 44 to both sides. So the new equation is 6L is equal to 68 minus 44 is 24. Dividing both sides by 6, L is equal to 4. So this means that the value of each leaf is equal to 4. Going back to equation 3, since the value of each leaf is 4, then the value of 3 leaves is 3 times 4, which is 12. So we have 12 plus 12. Plus, the value of each apple is 22, and we have 2 apples, so that means 2 times 22, which is 44. And 12 plus 44 is indeed 68. Now let's find the value of line 4. From line 1, we learned that the value of each caterpillar is 11. For the next picture, since we have 2 leaves, this will be 2 times the value of each leaf, which is 4. Times, the next picture is an apple with a leaf. And the value of each apple is 22. And the value of each leaf is 4, so 22 plus 4. To simplify this expression, we need to simplify first the grouping symbol 22 plus 4, which is 26. So now we have 11 plus 2 times 4 times 22 plus 4 is 26. Simplifying this further, we have 11 plus 2 times 4 is 8, and then 8 times 26. Following the order of operations, we need to multiply first 8 times 26. And multiplying 8 times 26, that is 208. So now we have 11 plus 208. Simplifying this, the final answer is 219. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.